Okay, we have a TimeMaster Garutsby gap bed engine lathe model Super AT 4000/400. It is 32-inch swing, 45 in the removable gap, and 160 inches between centers. The interesting thing about this machine, it also has a 5.5-inch hole through the spindle with double cam lock D111s in the front and the rear, so you can put a chuck on the back. We're going to run her for you. This machine's new in 1984. We're running right now. By the way, that's a Rome chuck on there with the large hole through the chuck. 19 3/4-inch chuck. Forward and reverse. He's running the feed bar. We have spindle speeds from 9 to 500 RPM. Low range. Okay. High range. Machine's also got a one-piece casting. That's the high range. Again, the machine does go up to 500 RPM. We are threading. You engage the half nut and we're threading. Machine has a thread dial indicator and a travadial. Does inch and metric threading. It also has feed. That's the cross feed right now. That's the top slide feed. Machine has taper through the power top slide. It also has a taper attachment, so you can do threading either way through the power top slide or through the taper attachment. That's the longitudinal feeding of the carriage. He's engaging the rapid traverse. Rapid. Rapid the other direction. Power rapid cross slide. And power the cross slide the other way. Okay. So you've seen it rapid, you've seen it feed, you've seen it thread. You saw a bunch of different spindle speeds. That's the tailstock. The tailstock is a number 6 Morse taper with 9 5/16 travel. That's adjustment for the tailstock in and out. It works off the rack. It's got the handle. Again, he's got the large steady rest. You have a taper turning attachment over there. On the other corner, we have a 4-jaw chuck and a large faceplate and a boring bar attachment. Again, the machine has a 4-way tool post. And hey, thank you for watching our video.